is going on, everybody? Today we have a new knife from Civivi. This is the Brazen button lock. If you've been following the channel for any length of time, you know that the Brazen is really one of my favorite budget-friendly knives that there really is, because I've got 3 of them and I very much enjoy them. They are worked out really good for a liner lock knife for anywhere from $50 to about $80. This one with the Damascus, I think, was actually about $90-ish or so. But even still, for that kind of a quality of a knife, for that price, is a killer deal. So I'm very excited to take a look at the button lock, even though Kaiser's button lock more recently that I've done has kind of left a bad taste in my mouth. But either way, let's get to this one right now. Alright guys, so here's the 3 that I have. That was the very first one with the G10 in purple. Then we moved into the nice micarta handle and the micarta with the Damascus blade. Great knives, easy to carry, but still have a nice comfortable length to them. So very much enjoy them. Got a nice Tanto tips on them. Work out really good. So this is the new button lock here. All the usual suspects for Civivi. All your little information and so on and so forth. Don't cut yourself. I did get the natural G10 this time. There's a couple different versions out there. So buttons, nice. It's nice and flush with the scale pretty much. Nice. Obviously Blade HQ usually is the one that gets designated for the natural, and I guess they're not going to do it this time. So the usual suspects with the flipper tab and the thumb stud. So very nice. Nice solid lockup. Very quiet too. Nice action. A little bounce on the, but stays down. Also use the button to open and close it too. So very nice. I'm getting more and more curious of just how good the buttons are. Just takes a fair amount of pressure to engage it. The problem was with the Kaiser is it only was catching with just a little bit of a lip, and once it had kind of just broke and rounded that tip, that edge that was catching, just no longer really locked up. But this one, you kind of have to really press it in pretty far, about 3/4 before she actually releases. So seems like it has a pretty good depth on its lock, and that is important, especially if you're gonna not necessarily hard use it, but if you're gonna get into a situation where you're really working something, which was what I was doing with the Kaiser, and it had just put it under so much pressure in just the right way, and that lock had let go and it almost caught me. I had to just drop the whole knife and everything. So but this feels good in the hand. It does. It's got some nice lockup. It's super tight. There's absolutely no play there. And like I said, you have to be pretty far in that lock before it releases. So about 3/4. So it seems very comfortable. See how it wears in and see if we end up doing what we've done before. But other than that, it is the Brazen through and through, as you can tell. Length, ergonomics, everything. I absolutely love it. Nice 8-inch knife. That 3 3/4, I do believe, blade. Just very comfortable, very usable, very pocket friendly. Just really one of my favorite Civivis really to date. And it only took them a year to come out with the the button lock, but now I have a button lock and I look forward to carrying it and using it and seeing how it works out. So there you guys go. If you want them, they are out now. Well, I should say Civivi themselves has them right now. I don't think anyone else has them yet. So swing over to Civivi directly and buy straight off of them. Or you can wait I'm sure it won't be long before all your favorite retailers will have them in stock too. So there you guys go. We will catch you next time. Have a great day.